Well, this is a live look at the webcam at Crater Lake, and I wanted to show you this because this is how it looks for the most part in all locations in southern Oregon. Lots of sunshine, blue skies, just a few clouds moving through, but elsewhere around the region, Northern California has been seeing a lot of smoke for today. That was the case yesterday, continued in towards today. So these winds have been blowing from the west-northwest, and I've highlighted the area of smoke in Siskiyou County, and you can see the smoke being dispersed out towards the southeast. So those wind directions have really played a big factor in that. We'll continue to see the smoke in place throughout the weekend. You can see the wind direction coming from the west-northwest throughout the past couple of days has really diminished the air quality in some locations in Siskiyou County. Fort Jones and Edna not just reading in the unhealthy category, but the very unhealthy category. That means that any time spent outdoors is not recommended. But the good category for Medford, Grants Pass, and Klamath Falls, Wairika, though, is fortunately reading only in the moderate category. Temperatures around the area, it's been a very nice afternoon in towards the evening hours. 83 degrees currently in Medford, 81 in Montague, 75 degrees though in Klamath Falls, lower 70s in Lakeview at 72 degrees, and along the coast in Brookings, 79 degrees, a very nice afternoon. And these are current temperatures. That was actually the high temperature also in Brookings, 63 degrees currently now in Crescent City. So here is the jet stream pattern. They have this area of low pressure out towards our northeast, and the jet stream, we're kind of in a transition period between two different weather patterns. The ridge hasn't built in and the trough hasn't completely left, so we're going to continue to see another cold front that moves through on Monday, but the ridge really sets in by the middle of next week, so that means upper 90s are back in the forecast by Tuesday and Wednesday. So for tomorrow along the coast, be expecting a warm day in Brookings, that Chetco effect, 79 degrees the high in Brookings. Elsewhere though, highs are going to be in the upper 60s, winds at times gusting up to 25 miles per hour. And for Northern California, smoke is still going to be in place. If you're lucky enough to see some sunshine, that would be in the forecast. Northeasterly winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, a high in the upper 80s in Wairika at 88 degrees, Weed 84, and Fort Jones 87 degrees, but Happy Camp will see a high in the middle 90s at 95 degrees. For the Klamath Basin, highs in the 70s, lots of sunshine for your Saturday. A great weekend to get outside and really enjoy the nice weather. 77 degrees the high in Chiloquin, but another very cool morning. We're going to see overnight lows in the upper 30s, 39 degrees the overnight low in Chemult, 37 in Chiloquin. Klamath Falls will see a low by tomorrow morning in the lower 40s at 42 degrees, an afternoon high near 80. And for the mountains, lots of sunshine continuing. 86 degrees the high in Prospect, Howard Prairie, 76. Fish Lake, though, a high in the lower 70s, around 73 degrees. And then for the Rogue Valley, highs a little bit warmer than today, but still very close to average, 91 degrees the high in Rogue River. That's the same for Grants Pass. Lots of sunshine continuing. Medford, a high also in the lower 90s. Ashland, though, in the upper 80s at 87 degrees. So for the next 7 days along the coast, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Morning fog still possible. 79 degrees on Saturday, 72 on Sunday, but back to the 60s starting for next week on Monday. Northern California still smoky throughout the weekend. Upper 80s for Saturday, 90 degrees by Sunday, but upper 90s come Wednesday at 97 degrees for the Klamath Basin. 80 degrees the high on Saturday, 82 by Sunday. Lots of sunshine next week, warming back up to the upper 80s. For the mountain, sunshine continuing dry for the next 7 days, warming up from the lower 70s to the upper 70s by Wednesday. And for the Rogue Valley, lots of sunshine also, 90s, lower 90s in the short term, but upper 90s Tuesday and Wednesday. And of course, the closer we get towards the start of school, I want to mention that Ask the Meteorologist is starting back up. That's September 3rd. So be thinking about your weather questions. We'd love to answer them. So go ahead and start thinking about what you'd like to know all about the weather.
And it's coming back with some big giveaways, too.
That's right. A $10 gift card to Grange Co-op. So great gift card.
That goes a long way.
Yeah,
all right.
Thanks.